welcome to this YouTube video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a short clip from my Get to Know Your Camera course. The reason I'm doing this is to give you a little bit of information that is provided in the course for free, but also to give you a little bit of a taste of what my courses are like, what it's like to work with me. If you do want more information on the course, the link is in the description, so make sure you go and check that out. And if you do have any questions, just drop them in the comments here for me. So let's get started. Now, it's all good just moving your files across to your computer, but you actually want to have some kind of system. You want to organize your files, because as you get more and more photos, which you're going to do as you develop your photography skills, you're going to start taking lots and lots of photos. So if you don't have a system from the get-go with organizing your photos, it's going to get really hard to remember where you saved what photo. So when you want to go and find a photo later on, it might end up taking you hours to find that photo. So having a system is really great. And again, software such as Adobe Lightroom, Nikon View NXI, or Digital Photo Professional can help with this. They have many options for organizing and finding your photos. Now, if you don't have an editing suite, what I recommend you do is simply organize your photos by folder. So every time you do a shoot, you create a new folder for that shoot and put the date that you took those photos and also some other kind of keyword that would reference where or why you took those photos. So you would put the date, and then if you did photos a local river, so I'm going to pick my local river, like the Mossman River, so I would put the date and then I would say Mossman River. Okay, if it was a portrait session, what I might do is the date and then portrait of and the name of the person that I'm taking the photos of. So it just helps me to easily find what I took the photos of. Okay, so we are now in Adobe Lightroom, and I'm just going to show you quickly how I organize my photos here. So we've got down this side here, you can see all of my folders. I've got lots of different folders. As I said, I name things with a location and a date. So holidays, I've got sort of Indonesia 2019. But if we come down to Queensland here, QLD, Queensland in Australia, that is where I live. So in there, I've then got a folder for each year that I've lived here. And then if we go into that, we get the actual folder in which I have my photos. So the first one is 2022-0108. So on the 8th of January this year, I took some photos of tea gift sets. Okay, that someone actually got me for Christmas. I decided I would just have a play around and take some photos of that. The next one, on the 24th of the 1st, I did some hotel shampoo photos. So some shampoo photos for a hotel. Then a couple of days after that, I took some photos in my garden. And if we go on, you can see, I'll just scroll slowly through that so you can see all the different photos, dates that I've been taking, different, like, so Mossman Gorge is the river nearby. So again, just putting in a location there. Flagstaff Hill is a location nearby. So either a location or an object, something that relates to what I was taking. Okay, so that was the clip from my Get to Know Your Camera course. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, make sure you go and check out the full course. Again, the link is in the description for that. I will also be doing some more of these videos as well, so check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.